Hello all, welcome to a new video. In this video, I am going to explain latest updates of GATE 2021. This video is applicable to all branches including engineering, architecture, social science and humanities, life sciences and so on. Now let's first discuss a brief introduction about GATE. GATE is a national examination conducted jointly by IISc Bangalore and 7 IITs. GATE examination is a computer-based test. Organizing institute for GATE 2021 is Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. Qualifying in GATE is a mandatory requirement for seeking admission and or financial assistance to postgraduate programs, masters and doctoral. GATE score is also used by some public sector undertakings or PSUs for their recruitment and by several other universities in India and abroad for admissions. Now let's see some important highlights of GATE 2021. Eligibility criteria is relaxed. That is, a candidate who is currently studying in third or higher years of any undergraduate degree program is eligible to apply for GATE 2021. Also, those candidates who have already completed any government approved degree in engineering or technology or architecture or science, commerce, arts are also eligible to appear for GATE 2021 examination. There is no age limit to appear for GATE 2021 examination. Application will be accepted online only. Details available at the official website, that is gate.iitb.ac.in. Another important highlight of GATE 2021 is GATE score will remain valid for 3 years from the date of announcement of results. Date of examination is fixed 5th, 6th, 7th, 12th, 13th and 14th February 2021. There are 2 sessions, forenoon and afternoon each day, but depending on COVID-19 situation, this schedule may change. Another important highlight of GATE 2021 is introduction of 2 new subject papers. First one is Environmental Science and Engineering or ES. Second one is Humanities and Social Science or HH. The sub papers included in this paper is Economics, English, Linguistics, Philosophy, Psychology, Sociology. With the introduction of these 2 papers, the total number of subject papers in GATE 2021 is 27. The syllabi of all subject papers have been revised for GATE 2021. Syllabi is available in the official website of GATE. I will be giving the link in the description. All test papers of GATE 2021 will be entirely objective type. Pattern of question may include multiple choice questions, multiple select questions and or numerical answer type questions. A very important feature or highlight of GATE 2021 is candidate can appear in 2 papers, maximum of 2 subject papers, but 2 paper combinations have to be chosen from the given list of combination of papers. These are the GATE 2021 papers. First one, Aerospace Engineering or AE, Agricultural Engineering or AG, Architecture and Planning, Biomedical Engineering, Biotechnology, Civil Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Computer Science and Information Technology, Chemistry, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical Engineering, environmental science and engineering, ecology and evolution, geology and geophysics, instrumentation engineering, mathematics, mechanical engineering, mining engineering, metallurgical engineering, petroleum engineering, physics, production and industrial engineering, statistics, textile engineering and fiber science, engineering sciences or HC, humanities and social sciences or SH. This is newly introduced paper. Life sciences or HL. Now let's see the subsubjects included in HC, SH and HL. HC paper sections or engineering sciences paper sections include engineering mathematics, which carry 50 marks. Any two optional sections from this list: fluid mechanics, material science, solid mechanics, thermodynamics, polymer science and engineering, food technology, atmospheric and ocean sciences. HL paper or life sciences section include chemistry as a compulsory subject, which carry 25 marks. Any two optional sections from this list: biochemistry, botany, microbiology, zoology, food technology. SH paper, which is humanities and social science, which include reasoning and comprehension, which carry 25 marks. Any one optional section which carries 60 marks: economics or English or linguistic or philosophy or psychology or sociology. So total mark in each paper will be 100. Common general aptitude section for each paper is 15 marks, and for main paper 85 marks for this case, whereas in this case engineering mathematics 15 mark, any two optional section 70 mark, and general aptitude 15 marks. Here also general aptitude 15 marks, chemistry 25 mark, any two optional section 60 marks. Combination of paper in GATE 2021. This is a very important highlight of GATE 21. A candidate may appear either in one or two subject papers. Okay, so if a candidate couldn't perform in one paper, he can perform better in other paper. So this is really a good advantage for candidates. For candidate who choose two papers, the combination must be from the approved list of combination. So these are the approved list of combination for GATE 2021. Let's consider an example. If the first paper opted by the candidate is AE, is aerospace engineering, he or she can opt second paper as HC. HC is engineering sciences. Consider another example. If a candidate opt CS, that is computer science and information technology, as paper 1, then he or she can opt mathematics as paper 2. Similarly, if a candidate is opted for instrumentation engineering as paper 1, he or she can opt electronics engineering, electrical engineering or physics as paper 2. Similarly, if a candidate opt for electronics engineering as paper 1, he or she can opt instrumentation engineering or physics as paper 2. If a candidate opts for electrical engineering as paper 1, he or she can opt instrumentation engineering as paper 2, and so on. Now let's see pattern of examination. As we discussed, it is a computer based test. Total duration is 3 hours. Section consists of general aptitude and candidates selected subjects. Type of question include multiple choice questions, multiple select questions, numerical answer type questions. Number of question is 10 general aptitude question plus 55 subject question. So there will be a total of 65 questions. And let's see the distribution of mark in all paper except AR, architecture, chemistry, ecology, geology, maths, physics, etc. and Excel paper. Or this is the pattern of all the engineering branches. General aptitude 50 marks, general engineering mathematics 13 marks, subject questions 72 marks. So total 100 marks. Now let's see the distribution of marks in paper architecture, chemistry, ecology, geology, maths, physics, etc. that is humanities and social science, and Excel that is life sciences. General aptitude carry 15 marks, subject question will be carrying 85 marks, so a total of 100 marks. Marking scheme, all the question will be 1 mark or 2 mark question. These are the important dates. GATE online application processing system website opens on 14th September. Closing date of regular online registration is 13th September. End of extended period for online registration or application with late fee is 7th October. Last date for change of category, paper and examination city with an additional fee is 13th November 2020. Availability of admit card on the online application portal will be on 18th January. These are the tentative dates of GATE 2021 which we already discussed. Announcement of result in the online application portal is on 22nd March 2021. Details of application fee for GATE 2021 per subject paper. For female candidates during regular period, application fee is 750. For SC, ST, PWD category candidates during regular period, it is 750. All other candidates per paper 1500 rupees. During the extended period, that is from 1st to 7th October, for female candidate 1250, SC, ST, PWD category 1250, whereas all other candidates need to pay 2000 rupees. Thanks for watching. Please share this video and subscribe my channel for further updates.